Land Rover Range Rover services at Motor Edgevantage. Meet Michael. He is a landscape artist from Singapore and loves to go off-roading in his Land Rover Evoque. Michael and his friend Yong drive down to Malaysia during the weekend in Michael's car. Yong is impressed with the smooth performance of the Land Rover. Hey Michael, we had a good drive today. How do you maintain your Land Rover so well? I discovered Motor Edgevantage, a workshop where I regularly send my Land Rover for maintenance. They are well equipped with full diagnostic facilities to service and maintain all models of Land Rover, Range Rover to a very high standard. Okay, but why do you prefer only Motor Edgevantage? Motor Edgevantage is a reputed workshop among premium car owners because they adhere to servicing and repairing guidelines as per car manufacturers' factory standards and process techniques, such as separation of body. They also perform excellent servicing on premium and luxury cars. Most importantly, they are transparent in their dealings and let you know all the available options in servicing, repair, and customized tuning. What makes you rely on Motor Edgevantage? It's a premium workshop where I get peace of mind when I leave my car, whether it's for regular servicing or need-based maintenance. In fact, I'm even considering some StarTech refinement for my car. I get all of this in one place. Isn't it a good deal? That sounds great. The first thing I do once I get back to Singapore is to visit Motor Edgevantage and get my Range Rover serviced. Motor Edgevantage. Reliable and trusted Land Rover Range Rover workshop. Thank you. Feel free to call us now.